Embroidered mesh is a decorative special occasion fabric with embroidered motifs on a fine mesh backing. Use a rotary cutter, ruler, and mat while cutting. Purchase extra yardage if you wish to be selective with your pattern placement. Instead of straight pins, which will slip out of the mesh, use small safety pins or clips to pin layers together. Use a sharp, thin needle and clear thread or thread that matches the color of your mesh. To prevent the mesh from catching on the machine foot, use a Teflon foot or cover your machine foot with a piece of tape. Stay stitch around the neckline and shoulders to prevent fabric from stretching out as you work. Reduce bulk at the seams by unpicking the embroidery from the seam allowance. The mesh part of the fabric will not ravel and does not require seam finishes or hems. Trim seam allowances back to 1/4 inch for a cleaner look. Plan your projects to take advantage of the embroidered motif for your hems. Some fabrics have a designed edging that is perfect as a hem.